This is my demo for the assignment 3.1, arrays and lists. The assignment is divided into 10 different parts, with the first part, which is initializing as well as printing an array, printing a double array. The array contains 10 different elements from the values 1.0 to 1.9. And after that, the values are assigned to the indexes of the array and the values are printed. Each of the values is printed as we can see here. This will be the mark which will be used to separate different programs. After the explanation of all the 10, I'll be executing the programs as well and will be explaining the outputs there. The second program contains populating and printing an integer array in a loop, which will give the same output as we have done in the first program, but this will be done with the help of a loop rather than assigning the values as well as printing them again. And that was the second program. Then this third program will be calculating and printing the total as well as the average marks. Some marks are provided with in the student array, and the total marks will be counted as well as the average marks. Then the average marks will be noted in the output. The fourth program contains collecting some student names and displaying them afterwards. The user will be asked to input 6 student names as we have denoted the number, as we have set the length for the array. And if we want, we can change the length to whatever the user wishes. The user will be able to input the student names and the output will be printed afterwards. The fifth program contains finding the smallest as well as the largest value in the provided array. The user will be asked to enter 10 different asked to enter 10 different values, which will be assigned in an array. And after that, the largest as well as the smallest value will be printed out. The sixth program contains displaying a 2D array with the values provided. We can change the values if wanted. Otherwise, these are the basic values used in the program, so I've used the same values. Seventh is creating a randomly sized as well as displaying the list. We have not decided the size of the list, which will be determined by the random function. Any random value will be chosen by the program itself and the user will be able to enter the values required, which he can change, which he cannot decide as due to the random function used. The eighth is the function to check if the array is provided a palindrome or not. As we are provided with 3 different arrays. Array 1 is 1, 2, 2, 1. The second one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. And the third one is 3, 2, 1. Palindrome, the first and second arrays are palindrome, as if they are denoted backwards, they give the same output as the original array, whereas the third one doesn't. So this was the 8th program. The 9th program involves merging and sorting out 2 lists. 2 integer lists, list 1 as well as list 2 are merged and sorted using a method merge list. This merge list is printed and covers list operation, merging and sorting. The last program contains extracting odd values from a 2D array provided. The array is provided and the odd values will be sorted out at the end of the program as the output. Now, after this, the output will be, I'll share my screen, change it to the output provided. Just a moment for that. Yep. These are the output of the program just explained. This is the first one. All the functions, all the programs are marked with these line symbols. The first one, this is the second program. The total marks for the students is 849, whereas the average is 84.9. This is the fourth program, and the enter names are the names we have chosen are these, and the enter names are displayed as array here. After that, we have entered 10 values in an array which will print out the largest value as well as the smallest value printed in the array. This is the should be the second. Yep. After this, we will do 7 students due to the random function provided. We can't change this, but we can remove the random function and add a proper value which will change the list to the array, as list doesn't contain n value. Then these are the palindrome functions, which is the function 8. As I have told you earlier, the array 1 as well as the array 2 was palindrome, whereas the array 3 was not. So it's giving true, true as well as false. The merge list will provide the merging as well as sorting to lists, as these are printed in the ascending order, which was required in the task sheet. The last program contains the odd values in the 2D array provided, which are printed as an output, which was required by the task. So this was my demo of the assignment 3.1. Thank you.